Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see the next API which is in Python. Okay, so as you know guys, if you have seen my last videos, I have done the get API in Python and post API also, and we have tested in post one also. So this is the code guys. This is for post method and this is for get method API. Okay, so these two APIs we have created. One is get API, one is post API, and even we have tested that in postman guys. So the testing was completed successfully. Even we have stored the data in our database here. Okay, now what we will do is whatever the existing data is there in my database, in that we will change something in this name and all. Means what? Means update API we will do guys. Whatever data is there in that, we will update the data. Okay, so that API today we will create. Okay, so how to create that we will see, and I'll tell all the things guys how to create, and it is very easy guys. You can create very easily. Okay, so here first I will write one comment. So same I'll write guys, root to update and what is this? Okay, update and existing users in the database. Okay, so whatever the existing user is there in that, we will change or we will update the data. Okay, so here I have to write the root now. So same root I'll take guys. So for that, what I will do, I will just copy this. I'll come here where it is. Okay, here, and here I will write the root name. I can change your users. Okay, I'll change that. Here it will come guys, put. Means we're updating. Means for postman we will use the put method guys. For updating, remember guys, if you're updating anything, you need to use put method. Okay, and here guys, updating means one ID we need to update, right? So we need to define here ID also. So for root we are taking here ID, and ID we need to take like this guys. We are taking int. Okay, id will be int, and here it will come id like this. Like this you need to take guys id. Okay, so this is my root for update API. Then next what will come guys, next our function will come, which is define, then update underscore user. Okay, so we are updating user, right, with id. So we are getting the id of that, means the content of that id, and then we are updating that. Okay, so it is, here is my function. Then guys, see what I'm doing here. I am requesting. So okay, request dot get underscore JSON. Okay, so what we are doing is, so whatever the request data is there in our JSON body, this body that we are requesting here guys. Okay, here we are requesting, and that we are storing in data variable. Then next, if data is not present, consider if any data is not present, so we will give one error. Okay, so if not data, if data is not there, so we'll return what is, return JSONify and bracket error. We will create one error. Oh, here it should be double quotes, then colon, then again double quotes. Here we will take as no input data is provided. If data is not provided, okay, so that time we are showing one error, and it will be a 400 bad request error. Okay, fine. So this is if the data is not present, means which data, this body data, if it is not present, it will give the 400 bad request error. Okay, and if it is present, it will take that. Then next what we will do guys, user dot name. Okay, so whatever data, if it is change data also, that data we are taking here. So get, here it will come name. You need to take like this only guys. Okay, and here is my user underscore name. So I'll copy this guys. Oh, it should not be underscore guys, it should be dot. Okay, so here the user dot name and data we are getting from this users. Okay, then I'll copy this same, I'll copy paste. We'll explain guys what is happening here. So first I will write all the things. So here it is email, then here it is address, and here it is password. Okay, fine. So I'll immediately what I will do is I'll copy this. Control V, Control C, Control V. Okay, so guys, what we are doing here, I'll explain first. So guys, so whatever the data means here means updating means we will update any for this id for one. For example, consider one id is there. Here we'll take one id. For that id we are changing, suppose if I change here name, if I change anything address, so whatever data we have changed, that also it will take. And the current data, see, if I change the only name, you have not changed anything this, then what it will do guys, this update data it will take, and current data what it is there that it will take, and it will store in this field. Okay, so for that it is. And then what we will do guys, we will commit means it will save in our database. Okay, whatever the change data is there, that also it will save, and current present data is also it will save. Okay, so commit here we are doing is in our db. Okay, so here we have done committed our data. Then after committing guys, we need to return something, right? So for that what I will do guys, here I will return JSONify. Okay, so here I'm returning JSONify. Then sure guys, I'll take id. So same, I think I'll take this, I'll copy guys. Okay, no, I'll copy like this, I'll write only. Okay, user dot id. Then here user came, your name, email, address, and password. It is name, it is email, it is address, and it is password. Okay, so I'll correct it guys. Oh, what is happening? Oh, come. Okay, then tab I'll do now. I'll check whether it is going far. Okay, one space, fine. So here name, so here also name, email, email, address, password, and password. Okay, and if it is successful, here we will write 200 for successful. Okay, oh, 200, fine. So guys, what we are doing here, we are returning our JSONify data, means whatever data we have updated, that we are returning here guys. Okay, next. So why it is coming error here, I did not got return JSONify. Okay, after running I'll get guys what is the error. Okay, mm, oh, here it should be guys, it is correct. One space, yes, it is indentation error guys, so it was giving me red. You got guys, it was indentation error, so I checked it here, and here I got guys, it was indentation, so it is giving like that. So guys, this is the thing. So see guys, what we have done, we have taken our root for update API. So for updating API means one users data we are updating, right? So for that we need id also. Okay, see here guys, if you are updating one, for example I want to update this data. Okay, see, this is id wise, right? It is 4 id, so here we need to take id also guys. So for that, here we have taken id also. Okay, and for updating we will use put method. Okay, then here we're requesting the JSON data from our body. If data is present, it will come here. If data is not present, it will give this 400 bad request error. Okay, and here what we're doing is whatever the data is there, if you means if you change the name also, email also, that change the data as well as existing data it will take, and it will store in this field guys. Okay, then next, here we are committing means we are saving that data in our database. Then here guys, we are returning whatever the change data is there, that we are returning in JSON format, or whatever the updated data is there, that we are returning in JSON format. Okay, so this is the thing guys. Now what we will do guys, now we will run this program, and if any errors are there, that also we will solve. Okay, so let's start. So it is running now, we'll see whether anything will come, any error will come. Okay, it is running no error, so it is same correct guys. So I have to take this path here. So here is my update API. I'll go here only guys, update API. Okay, so here I'll take one ID. So I have to update something, so I'll take fifth ID guys. Okay, so here I'll mention fifth, and what is the data for fifth that I have to take. So here it is in sky name. Okay, then I'll take your email, same data. After that I'll change it. First I'll take whatever the data is there, that then I'll change address. It is okay. Okay, and this is Belgium. Okay, so whatever data there, present data, that I have taken guys. Okay, now I will change here, instead of infis, okay, infisky underscore Belgium. Okay, so I have taken guys infisca underscore Belgium, and everything I'll keep as it is. Now here I have selected put method. Now I will check guys. I'll do here send. Okay, so here I got one error, that is 500 enter server error. So for what it is, did you mean it is fifth ID only, right? Okay, users. I'll check the root once. Oh, here only it is users, and here is my ID. It is correct. Okay, guys, here one thing I forgot, guys, that I will write. See in Hadibadi, what I can say, guys, I have forgot to write particular data what I'm taking in, that I forgot to update, guys. Okay, so here it will come. So see, guys, here what will happen? Here we'll take user dot query, means particular single data. I forgot to take single data, guys. Okay, so I'll explain this as well. And here, if not user, so it was giving error me 500. Okay, so here we are returning JSON, and here is my error. So error will be user not found, user not found. Oh, FOUND found. Oh, what is happening? And here we'll give 404. Okay, so guys, what is happening here, where we have taken all the data from our JSON body. Okay, then here particular data we will check here guys, whether this ID data is present in our this request. Okay, so if it is present, it will take that data, and if it is not present, it will give this error, that is user not found. If this ID is not present there, it will tell the user not found. And if the this ID data, if it is present, then it will take that data, and it will store in user. Okay, then here what we are doing is, here from that user we are taking the name, whatever the data is available for this ID, that everything we are taking is, that is name, email address, and password, and that we are storing here. Okay, then committing, we are saving in our database, then here we are returning that. Okay, so one, see guys, while doing some mistakes will happen, but we will learn from that also. Okay, so single ID I forgot to take. Fine. Okay, this is done guys. Next what we will do guys, here I'll change, I'll send now. It will change now. You can see guys, it is updated in Fisk underscore Belgium. So I have changed the sure. Oh wait, see guys, something new is happened here, right? Everything, address also in Fisk Belgium, email also, name also, password also. So here something is wrong, so that I have to check. Oh yes guys, you can see here also I have done, right? See guys, copy paste if I do now, it will happen like this. I forgot to change here as well. So it was taking, so what it is done guys, for name everything it is changed to name only. Okay, fine. So what we will do guys, here now I'll run this once again, or I'll keep like that only. Here is same data, right? So I want this data there, okay, so I'll send this only there. See guys, now it is changed, it is in Fiskai, then it is email, then it is name, and it is password. And if I go here, it will change here as well. So you can see guys, name is in Fiskai Belgium and password is in Fiskai Belgium, email and address it is changed guys. So here it is name, email, address and password. For password it has taken in Fiskai Belgium only. We'll check here anything. Password. Okay, once again we'll change guys here something. So I'll take here like only in Fiskai I'll take guys, okay. So now we'll check. Okay, see guys, name only it is taking password, right? I have changed the Infisky, but it is not updating. So something is wrong in my code, so that I have to check somewhere. Users git ID, name, email, address. Here is password. Here is password. See guys, this will happen. We need to find out the error. Okay, so we will find out now. It is correct. This is also. And here is address. Here is password. Here is also password. Okay, here we'll remove this and check guys. Because of that, maybe. Okay, now I'll check this. See guys, because of one comma, here it is. It was because of one comma. What it was happening is name is only taking for this password. Now you can see guys, password is also changed. Whatever password I have given, password is there. Whatever the address I have given, address is there. Whatever the email I have given, email is there. Whatever the ID is 5 only, okay. So see guys, we have what I can say guys, we have solved the error also, which is good. We got error means which is good guys, and even we have solved that error. So two error was there, one 500 server error we got. So how, why the 500 error will come? If anything is wrong in your code it will come. And if it is duplicating the values, then here we need to check this, and comma also it will value for Python guys, okay. So this is the thing guys. So I hope guys you got. I'll show in database also. You can see guys, here also it is changed. What we will see guys, today we will see how we can delete the data from database, okay miss. So here it is database, the database name is Infisca, okay. So from that we will delete one data. Means we will create one API in Python which will delete the data from our database, okay. So let's start guys. So see guys, first I'll same as it is, I'll write here comment first. So indentation I'll check, okay, it is correct. So here it is app dot root. Okay, first I'll write comment here, root to create and delete API in Python, okay, fine. So here our root will come, that is app dot root, and here my root will come. So I'll give here users, and here my ID will come. See guys, if you're deleting anything means we need ID also, right? So I'm typing here ID, okay. So here I have taken root, then ID. Here space is there, no it's not there, okay. So next here comma with, sorry, inside guys, here there will be a comma, and here I have to write the methods. So here which method we need to use guys, just comment that. So we are deleting means we need to use delete method, right? So directly by using guys delete method. So this is my root guys. As I told you, suppose if you're deleting anything from our database, for example, if you're deleting this ID, wait, I will wait. Okay, see, if you are deleting this 6th id or 5th id, we want id number, right? Then only we can delete that particular id. So here guys, we have taken that id. Okay, that is int id. Fine. Then next, here our main function will come, that is delete user. So here I'll write delete user, this is my function, and here I'm taking that id. Okay, I'm passing here id. Then next way guys, what I will do, I'll take that id user dot query dot get of id. Okay, so here what will happen guys, it will check whether the id is there in our users, what we can say guys, in users model, whether I have that, I means this id is there and that data is there, it will check guys. Okay, if that data is not there, for example, if data is not there, it should show, it should give this error guys. If not user, means if that user is not present, that id user, then what we will do guys, we'll give here one error. Okay, so the error will be user not found, because user is not there. So the error will be user not found. Okay, and here we will take like 404 only. Okay, this is done. And if the user is present, then what we will do guys, we will delete that id. Okay, so, or that user I can say. So direct delete function we need to use, and we need to delete the user. Okay, so here we are deleting the user. Then next, after deleting, what we will do is we will commit, that means we will save that. So session dot commit, it is very simple guys. Creating delete api is very easy. Okay, so this is done, and here we will return something. So here we are returning JSONify, and here we'll give one message guys. Okay, so message will be like user has been deleted successfully, like that we can give. So user deleted successfully. Okay, so here we have given, and we will write here status code 200. Okay, so this is done guys, and here I think indentation again error, so I'll take this front. Oh, sorry. Okay, so guys, you can see guys, indentation error gone. So here what we are doing is we are taking one data or one user from our database by using this id. First the data of this id, and here we are checking if the user is present, then go come here, and if the user is not present, just show this like user not found, and if it is there, just delete that user, and then commit means save the data. After this, we are returning like a user deleted successful, like that. Okay, so what we will do is now we will test this api whether it is working correct or not. So what I will do, here you can see guys, here is my delete. Okay, so the path is user and id. So here it is there guys, user and id. So I'll take here guys, right now I'll take 5th id I want to delete. Okay, so I'll take here 5th, and you, okay, you need to take this path guys. Means first what I have to do, I forgot this thing. See guys, I have to run this, right? So here is my terminal, python app.py. First I have to run, then after running what will happen, I'll get this url, then on that we will use this route. Okay, so we'll wait for that. Okay, see guys, this is my url, so you can copy this, paste it here, same, and the root is users first, then id. So here is user and here is id, and method I have selected delete. You can see guys, I have selected delete. Okay, then now what I will do guys, here you can see I'll just send, we'll check what will happen. Okay, 200 means it is okay, and I got response like user deleted successfully. So I have to check this in my database. So I'm checking here whether user is there or not. Oh, you can see guys, user has been deleted successfully here. Okay, now what we will do guys, now we will test all the APIs. Now users has been deleted, so only how many users are there? Only 3 users are there. So we will check here in get API whether we will get only 3 users. So get, so you can see guys, 1 1 4 6. See guys, we have 3 users, 1 4 6, and same users we got here. Next guys, here it is post API, so we will store one more data in our database. So Sunil, I think it is present or not. Okay, Sunil at gmail.com, it is present. So here I'll check, I'll change like through 1 2 3. Okay, so now we are posting, we are testing this also. Okay, here we got, oh sorry, here we should remove this. Okay, let's save. Now we'll do. Okay, so we got one error guys, that is find the intercept error. So what is, somewhere something is wrong, duplicate entry. So it is showing like duplicate entry, so I have to change something. BGM Drew, I think Drew it is there maybe. No, Drew is not there. Password is there. Right, 1 2 3 2 3. Okay, it is there guys, this is already present. So congrat BGM I'll put here. Now we'll check. Okay, now you can see guys, the user has been created successfully already. It was getting duplicate error guys, that we have solved. Now you can see guys, one more user has been created. If you go here, if you check here in get, you will get that one more user as well. You can see guys, here 8th user we got. Okay, by using update method you can update the data, and if I want to delete, you can delete the data. Okay guys, so guys, you got how I have created all the APIs. So if you come here now, you will get all the APIs guys. You will get APIs, you will get post API, you will get put API, means update API, and delete API. Okay, so all APIs we have created guys. Okay, so this API we have created in Python. Okay, so next we, what we will see guys, how we can use this API in our application. We'll do one front end design, and in that we will try to use this, and we will store some data from our form by using Python APIs. So that also I will bring guys soon. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you are liking my videos, and one more thing guys, just do this all the APIs and test in your postman, and later when I will start that front end design, then with that we will integration and all we will see guys. Okay, so I hope guys you are liking my videos. If you are liking my videos, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.